Hey, beautiful souls. Before we dive in, if you love self-care, holistic wellness, and all things natural beauty, then you're exactly where you need to be. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you never miss a glow-up moment. Because trust me, you do not want to miss the magic we've got in store. Welcome back to Soulful Sunday with AJ's EO Infusions. This isn't just another skincare tip video. This is where beauty meets ritual, where essential oils meet effortless luxury. And if you stay with me till the end, you'll learn why bottom notes are the grounding secret. Your routine has been missing, and how it's changed everything for me and my customers. Before we dive deeper, please know the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I'm sharing general wellness information, not medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider for any personal health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I'm here to guide you on essential oils, but always consult a qualified aromatherapist, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, have any health conditions, or are new to essential oils. Always dilute essential oils before applying topically, and perform a patch test before using any new product. Hey there, I'm Jenice Story, a nurse, aroma wellness specialist, and the founder of AJ's EO Infusions. If you've been following this mini-series, you know we've been chatting about essential oil notes. So 2 weeks ago, we kicked things off with top notes. The energizers, like citrus and mint. Then last week we dove into middle notes, those balancing florals like lavender and peppermint. But today, whilst we're going deeper, we're talking about bottom notes and specifically why I chose frankincense for our best-selling lip butter scrub. All right, so bottom notes are the base of any essential oil blend. They're rich, they last longer, and they carry the most emotional weight. These oils linger. They don't just evaporate like top notes. They stick with you and create the memory, the vibe, the ritual. We're talking about oils like frankincense, myrrh, sandalwood, patchouli, oils that support your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and create grounding in your routine. They are, quite literally, the root of the blend. At AJ's EO Infusions, I chose frankincense for our lip butter scrub for a few powerful reasons. It calms inflammation, restores the skin, and smells divine, but subtly sacred. It encourages your body to pause and feel safe. This isn't just lip care, it's a nighttime ritual. You don't need to rinse it off. It absorbs slowly and keeps working while you rest. And that's the thing, like self-care shouldn't be rushed. It should linger, like a good memory, like a bottom note. Let me share how I use this personally. Every evening, I apply a small amount of our lip butter scrub. I breathe in the frankincense and speak something over myself. I am grounded. I am whole. I am enough. It's a reset, a way to release the day, and honestly, save me from burnout more times than I can count. And if you want the deeper emotional and energetic reasons, I use bottom notes every single week. Don't miss the full conversation on Wellness Wednesday's podcast. I go deeper into grounding, spirituality, and slow beauty. You can also join our free community, the Essence Collective, where we share sacred wellness rituals and knowledge that helps you attract the right people, peace, and aligned abundance. If this video gave you a moment of peace, a tip you loved, or a ritual you're ready to try, make sure to subscribe, share this with a fellow glow-getter, and drop a comment and let me know your favorite essential oil or nighttime ritual. And don't forget, you can grab your own luxury lip butter scrub infused with essential oils at AJ's EO Infusions. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and stay you.